MCA ba mbunge ya Meru ne balasimekete kurara Mbungene utuko bo ukirarware nyuma yanteto kumbukati ngavana na athia tibaba ne bakubangite kwithira nende bakithia mbunge ya county ya Meru nara nende athukange baba kinya bakinyira na kwela MWANKI Mbungene utubura bumenere tubonene ni MCA baba mbunge ya county ya Meru nabo bere musando withira ukiambire kwa ruabu MCA baraba watambaru ngavana Kawira Mwangaza ni bethire bekinya mwirene arabonekanire nende kwithira bakinyana na mabisa boka nende nyumene bethira bayukuma tene ya mbunge.
It is in the nature of Kawira to sting. So even if you give her another chance, whether it is on account of pity, whether it is on account of sympathy, whatever the reason, she will sting again.
MCA 49 barabara ingete kura kuingata ngavana Meru Kawira Mwangaza ne bakolokirite maitina mena mambere ya kuringa kura arabara hukumire mbunge na kurara kuna bitho na bantu baraba kurikana ne bamama bakere kwithia mbunge wende bangaratanwa ne borisi.
Pertaining the issues of intimidation to the members of this county assembly and also trying to use goons to maybe intimidate members and also maybe to ban the assembly and other issues. Because if you came here yesterday at night, you would think that we are in Lebanon, where there has been a constant fight because there were a lot of fire and other things, and there's also people trying to throw petrol here, trying to burn the assembly. And I don't really believe that's how the county should be governed.
Rokere na MCA baraba ko watambaru ngavana ni mama ne bayirana kulasimithia huku mbunge eu. Awati mbaruba ngavana kinyabo batetiro nyuma araba kinyire mbunge wende batu hukuma ne mabisa bokaria. MCA bani bamenendete makareka yaba kiwa ngavana Kawira nare tekuthia tawatho ndekie tumi Meru ire tawita mbere. Owetere onderera makarika ya bwithika ngavana Kawira cietha cietiwe indi narete kubuta ngwe bara bonde bakuringanithwa na mantu ya na badiuna watho ukilukira njara ciawe.
Last night we slept in this house because we were told we will not be able to access this assembly. We slept on the floor of this assembly. Meru should know that. Then someone threw a Molotov cocktail from the court to the roof of this house. So members walked out because of the smoke that had started emanating from that corner.